Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Glorious Media. This is Basav here with another new video. Today I'll be talking to you about the importance of increasing sales online. Having problems increasing sales online? I'm going to tell you 25 strategies to come up with your own online sales and the method that you have to follow to increase your sales online. Well, there is a simple method. Let's understand it step by step. So let's get started. So the first thing to remember is be honest with your copy. What it means is that when you start with your own e-commerce store, these days what happens that when we see big giants like Amazon and Flipkart having a lot of products where they're promoting and having a big and huge customer base now, but also it has a big business base where they are selling a lot of products online. You need to remember one thing, that when they are promoting their own products and their own service, they basically are showing in the scale in which they can also deliver to the audience or their customers in which they are selling. These days, what happens when new businesses are formed, like individualized business are formed, creating their own brands online? They have their own kind of idea where they have their own 10 to 15 products, which is not in a scale of e-commerce. But they try to show that there are more big giants like e-commerce, like Amazon and Flipkart or AliExpress. But the biggest problem which happens when you try to do this is that you need to remember that businesses are meant to have a big proud moment, and they think that what will happen if my customers think that I am of a small scale or I am not having a business of a large scale business. Still they try to promote their copy in such a way that they show that they are really very big, and they do not have the knack of realizing that they themselves should be proud of having their own brand and being proud about what products that they deliver. Slowly and steadily, you can understand that by being honest and by being genuine, you can deliver your customers and create your own brand over a period of time that will solve the issue that what you are looking forward to. Please make sure that you use a copy which is being honest of what you exactly do, because that will gather and attract more customers to you, and it will make sure that those customer base when formed, that will create the idea in their minds that you are selling your product in a more authentic way, in a more right way. So the first thing to remember is being very, very honest with your own copy. The second point to remember is show more of your customers' testimonial and trust. Show more of your customers' testimonial and trust. This means that the more you show your customer satisfaction and reviews on your website, when you show more customers' reviews, more customer satisfaction, their comments, their kind of ideas, which how was the experience when they purchased your product or something, when they have an idea of how they got the satisfaction of the having a good delivery on particular time, or having a good product satisfaction which you are offering. This gives a kind of idea to a customer that wow, this brand is particularly very trustworthy. That customers that which you have served earlier, you must try to get them on your landing page, pricing page, home page, and the kind of page where new prospects coming to your site visit, that you already have found the new trust that other people have already found, because this plays a very important big role when a customer purchases online from you. This makes an idea that how they can be satisfied by looking at other people's reviews and how they will be able to get the particular thing which they are looking forward to by looking at the reviews and the testimonials. You can ask your customers for giving them a video, a particular comment, a particular written letter which you can take a photo of and post it online on your website. This will gain trust of new customers coming to your website. So let's move on to the next one. Creating a sense of urgency. This means that you must create a sense of urgency for enabling your customers to get more of your customers to get purchase your products instantly, and this means that you need to come up with certain kind of ideas to put it on your website to get your product being sold in an urgent basis. Otherwise they're going to miss this offer. You can come up with offers like a particular free shipping, get a particular very good offer like a discount which they need to really get it right now. Create a kind of idea where create a kind of offer which the customer gets induced that if they do not have this product right now, they're going to really miss it and they're going to lose out on this offer right now. So create a sense of urgency by showing a countdown, showing a discount, coming up with a kind of idea where your customers will be feeling that, okay, if I don't get this product, I'm going to miss this offer. This is a free shipping, otherwise I'm going to be charged. So get them, create a membership where they can enroll in, which creates a kind of urgency in your customer's mind. This gives and solves the idea that, okay, this is for free, this is for buy one get one free, get the countdown, something offers like that. The next one is to put out a bulletproof money back guarantee. You need to put out there an idea that your customers needs to get an offer which is like a money back guarantee. Most of the times that people don't trust your brand or your product or service because they do not trust you. They do not believe that they should purchase from you because the idea is that they do not know that what you are offering is authentic. Maybe they are missing out certain things which they should know, which you are not putting out there. So give them a kind of trust to build. And this trust to build is by making them understand that how you can give them a money back guarantee like how other e-commerce websites does, authentic, by offering them returns and giving them a money back challenge, something you can give back your customers back in return their money back, and you can take back your products again and refurbish them or resend it to other customers. And the point here is to understand that creating an idea about a money back guarantee, a bulletproof money back guarantee, offers your customers with the idea that, okay, you are trustable. Most of the times this happens because your customer forgets that you are also one of those premium brands or luxurious brands which you are trying to offer it to them, but they do not have an idea that you are also worth out there who is offering that great product. So you need to make sure that you give them something by building their trust. Why would a customer purchase from you? The customer will not purchase from you if you do not build that trust. So remember that when you give them that trust by giving them a particular return, this gives them an idea, okay, they have nothing to lose. If they have nothing to lose, they can definitely have a lot of things to gain from you. So remember that you give them what they have to gain and give them back through this method by following this. The next one, target a lookalike audience on Facebook. Like once you have gathered a particular kind of customers that you have had already, like a data, you should go on Facebook or Instagram and go and target those kind of similar customers out there who will get an idea that where you will get an idea that how to target those kind of customers and have a lookalike customers like them and get them to your store with Facebook ads. This will create a kind of idea in your minds, in the minds of your customer that, okay, this is something which I can relate to. Because once you have gathered a kind of customer whom you know that what his interests, his demographics, psychographics are, you can easily target a similar customer or a prospect like that who can come to your store and purchase that product. So utilize Facebook and social media for that. The next one is remove friction in the checkout process. Most of the times what happens that there are a lot of other things that are involved when a customer purchases your product. Sometimes when you have a cart, when a customer chooses 3 to 4 offers, a customer just wants to buy one. So it takes a lot of time with the payment method, going from one page to the other, to the third, with the links offered in it. So most of the times you need to make sure that checkout process is made really very easier, and it makes your customers think that they can get this idea of instantly buying the product, getting from the cart, buying the product and getting their payment directly, and getting it done through a UPI or maybe PayPal, Paytm, Google Pay, or whatsoever is a payment method, or through debit card, credit cards. This increases and simplifies the method for your customer to quickly purchase it, and also will make it for you to get more sales. The next one is provide as many payment methods as possible. The more offers you give to your customers, the more they are likely to purchase it. If sometimes a customer may not be using American Express, but you have only that on your website, he may not purchase the product that you are already putting in your store. So make sure that you have more payment methods by which your customers can make sure that he can purchase the product that you are offering. So make sure that you give him what he wants by having a lot of other payment methods out there. So let's move on to the next one. Provide good quality images to your customers. Make sure that you have a good amount of good quality pictures got shot by a professional photographer, or getting it through a food shoot. Like for example, if you have a particular food to sell, a particular food will sell more by having a good quality image, by looking at the ingredients of the vegetables involved in a particular pizza, by looking at the burger and a particular cheese, chicken involved in it, or the mayo which comes out of it. This induces more of your customers to get more of the idea. I'm already tasty. I'm already feeling very water in my mouth to have a wonderful pizza and a burger. But for you, this is to make sure that you get an idea, that you need to give more of your customers with the idea that good quality image is out there, because good quality images attracts customers to come to your site, look at the product, get through purchasing the product. Sometimes even images does much bigger than you think it does. A low quality images turns people off, and you should not be doing that. I would just suggest you that you get a good professional shoot done for your products and get it listed on your website. This brings more of the idea that how your customers will prefer good quality images. Sometimes a good quality image even leads to get an instant purchase which you have not ever thought of, and get more sales out there. So utilize the idea of a good quality image. Next one, call only ads. Call in ads. This means that when you utilize more of Facebook ads and Google ads, so that the customer gets directly to browse. Most of the times customers do not have the time to browse to your site, and they want to get in touch with the business directly. So they prefer that they can directly call the particular restaurant or particular store by asking and inquiring them directly out there at what they are particularly offering. So make sure that you go and ask your audience and utilize Facebook ads and Google ads for that, so that they can directly see the ads on their browser or in their social media app which they are using, and they can get a directly call on button for calling directly from their phones and getting the number there, which they can utilize to call to you directly. So don't miss out those things and get rid of landing pages. Give Gmail ads a try. Most of the times what happens that when you utilize Gmail ads, you can directly utilize this particular ad which is really effective, and it directly uses to utilize the keyword competitors' keywords, to utilize those keywords and target them to your customers directly through online inboxes, and getting that idea out them, which comes on the top of Google, which I have shown here. Please have a look. And this gives this option is a valid option for you getting more and more customers through your emails and getting your ads directly on the top of Gmail. This gives an idea that how you can be getting a particular idea of getting more customers through Gmail ads. So please try this option. It's very effective. The next one is keep messaging consistently about your message and about your product. Make sure that whenever you target your particular message to a prospect about your product, make sure that they directly land to your product page, not directly on your website, because sometimes they get irritated to again browse the product out there and having a look, typing that particular keyword, and then going on that category of products listed on your site. Make sure you avoid that, and make sure that you get this idea that you need to directly utilize this keyword of promoting and messaging more of your customers about your products directly, and they can really directly have a look about your high quality images, and they can directly utilize that, but that link itself to go to your product page and purchase from there. This will reduce the hassles of going and coming across a lot of other homepage or the page after page, and it creates hassles. To avoid this hassle, just target and keep on messaging about your product, and make sure that you give specific product and service page only, not which is not required. So stick to this. The next one is answer every question and every query that which your customers is looking out for. Make sure that you write in your copy of your site about everything which a customer would like to think about and know that if they purchase this product, what is the delivery time, is it free shipping, is it there any discount, is there any offer on this, if they have to apply a particular coupon code, or they can get this idea that they can directly purchase your product out there and get your product instantly through getting and by you making sure that you mention everything which is required out there, by mentioning in your product description as well as on your site what they are looking forward. The next one is to give as much as possible, whatever you can, for free. This means that you don't have to give your product directly away. This will basically kill your sales. What I am talking here about is give as much as possible to do giveaways. Get more of the time giving your customers something as free as possible. Giving them a free testimonial, giving them a free gift with it, something with the product they purchase. If you are selling a book, give them something like a cute bookmark with it, which gives them an idea. Wow, this they are promoting. They love their customers. They provide their services very well, and they give us a lot of good. They respect our opinion, they respect us, and they give us a lot of things. So this induces the customer. People love free things. You need to give more out there free things, and this will give your customers an idea. The more they get, the more they want to come to you and more they want to visit you. So I believe in this idea. The more you give, it gives more customers to you. So remember one thing, the more you do giveaways of a particular weekly contest, of a particular product or something which you think that it will make your customers happy, please go ahead. Please go ahead and solve the problem of yours getting low sales. This can be really solved by attracting earlier, getting more customers by giving them something for free which you think, or giving them at a lower rate. The best that you can do, please try to do it, because this will bring a kind of new customers to your site and they will turn into your potential customers for a longer run. People love loyalty. Once they visit your site, they're not going to return back to any other of your competitors. So make sure that you give them something which they receive. Implement tiered pricing. This means that if you have 3 products, you need to utilize and put a heavier price on one product, a lowest price on the first one, and the middle one will be having the product which you want to sell more. This means that customers' psychology is all about that they think that they want a particular product at the lowest price that they can pay. They don't want an expensive price of their product. So what they do is make them choose a product that you think is going to choose the middle one by giving them this is the best offer that you have for them, the best product that will give them the satisfaction that they really want. And this will give them the idea, okay, he's giving me this product at the best price which I've got. So let them choose this by utilizing and implementing tiered pricing. The next one is to grow sales more with mobile optimization. This means that when you promote more of your products through mobile optimization, this means that most of the times the users mostly purchase products through their mobile phones. They do not have the time to go to their office or get into a laptop, open it and browse your site and visit it. Mostly the purchasing is done online. So make sure that you optimize your site in a mobile friendly way. Make sure that your site looks mobile friendly, and you make sure that the site that you have built by your web developer makes it in such a way that you are offering him the idea that he is really mobile friendly, quickly to purchase and quickly fast. Sometimes the websites becomes very slow. Make sure that it becomes mobile optimized and it's very, very fast. The next one is to expect your customers to come directly to you by thinking that, okay, I'll come back to this website later and I can purchase it. No, don't do that. You want your customers instantly. You want your customers to get your product right now. You need to make sure that they come and get your product right now. So make a user-friendly, mobile optimized site or an application which they are using. This makes it more easier for customers for utilizing your product. The next one is to impress your new customers with a new follow-up emails. This means that most of the times what happens that when customers have purchased a product from your site, the brand tends to lose their hand, doesn't send them a satisfactory mail to them. This means that you cannot leave a customer just in between. He has given you business, and when he gives you business, this means that you also have to make sure that you give him back in return with a good follow-up mail of thanking them that they have purchased your product from your site. So give them this follow-up mail by getting in touch with them and do whatever you can to make sure that they come and get to your site again and purchase a product again from your site. Make sure you do not lose out on those kind of websites or businesses who miss out on this idea that once they have built their business, they have lost you. No. You need your customers, they need to trust you. Build that trust by having a follow-up mail, by showing them regularly, by sending them emailers, by giving them offers, something which you think that you're going to come up in the next season, something with the next quarter. Give them that, and whenever there is a reduce in your price, please do send them a mail that they have received your mail regarding the new product offer, and this will make them remind you that yes, they don't have to miss you and you're already with them and they're already having a family relationship with you. So make sure that you create that kind of impact on them. The next one is to pinpoint your best attribution and conversion paths. This means that organic sales doesn't work all the time. It means that when you are promoting your products online, people do not tend to come to you. They do not tend to come to you because they forget that this product basically is only having less customers, or the ads that they see, their engagement. Make sure that you contact a customer organically as well as through ads. The chances of converting a customer first is to understand that when they come to your site, they will be looking around that you have promoted through an ad, and they will see the number of reach that you have done. If earlier you were having low sales and this was the reason, you need to take out your attributes of your module and see to it that why the low sales happen. You do not have to shut down your work or your business because you have put in your heart and soul into it and it's your child. You need to make sure that you give your child what it deserves. It wants to stay longer as soon as possible for the longest time. So make sure that when you come up with your attributes and contribution to your customer, make sure that first come organically, then try to create an impact through ads. That increases the conversion rate more and they tend to increase your products more. Make sure you get that. The next one is to get a personalized effect. Most of the times, people do not use social media to contact their customers, their prospects. People forget that the likely chance of converting a prospect into a customer is just basic, that getting a personalized feeling. You need to create a personalized effect with them by messaging them directly. I know there are a lot of customers you need to get in touch with, but you need to remember that in the beginning, when you start and when your sales are low, you need to get in touch with certain personalized way with your customers by messaging them on social media. This will engage them more with you by telling them, use an idea by sending them a message like, hey, I've got this new store. I think this product will look good on you. Why don't you try it? It will suit your personality. It will make you look super duper cool. It will make you look super duper good. So you can utilize this kind of idea by giving them that message and converse with them. Utilize this idea to converse with them more and more so that they get an idea that, okay, he really is giving me that kind of good offer and he thinks that this will suit me. Why should I go and try it? Once they try your product and they purchase it, they will be sending that across to a lot of people through their word of mouth. Make sure that you get in touch with them and engage with them to create that effect for them to get more personalized way. The last and the least, if you've liked the video, please do comment below and subscribe on my channel if you have not done till yet. I'll see you in the next videos and press the bell icon to get my latest updates. Thank you for your support and thank you very much. I'll see you in the next video.